Is your Google Pixel speaker sounding distorted or cracking randomly? Speaker distortion can occur due to software bugs, dust, or water in the speaker grill, excessive volume levels, or audio setting issues. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix speaker distortion on Pixel phones. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Turn off adaptive sound. Sometimes adaptive audio features can cause sound issues. Go to Settings on your Pixel device, then tap Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down and tap Adaptive Sound. Make sure the adaptive sound toggle is off. After that, test your speaker again. Solution 2. Lower volume. High volume can cause crackling or distortion. During the call, press volume down on your phone. Test audio at 70 to 80% volume. Maybe it works. Solution 3. Clean the speaker grill and check with headphones. Dust or water can block the speaker and cause distortion. Use a soft brush to clean it. Then gently blow air into the speaker. Avoid sharp tools or liquids. Then test the call with headphones to see if it works. If the sound is clear on headphones but distorted on the speaker, then it's likely a speaker hardware issue. That's how you fix random speaker distortions on Google Pixel. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more Pixel tips and fixes. Thanks for watching!